Morning. Here you go.
Thank you, clear. Watch the line on the left.
From raw elasticity to precision engineering, watch this. The sheet glides under mirrored steel rollers, its surface flawless and deep black. Green lasers sweep the edges, measuring thickness in real time, down to a fraction of a millimeter.
Plastic smooth, no cracks. Feels right. Next stop, reinforcement.
From a solid spool of fabric, precision begins. Spun fiber unwinds in a clean, perfect sheet. A dark ribbon of liquid rubber sweeps across the weave, coating every thread in a glossy seal. Heated rollers press the layers together, locking the rubber to the fabric with a hiss of steam.
Layers of high-tensile steel belt are stacked with robotic precision. Bead wire is wound into flawless circles, each turn placed perfectly against the last. The rings take a dive into liquid rubber, emerging with a smooth, uniform coat. Twin lasers.
Precision begins here. Rubber beads glide from the feeder, each one timed to the rhythm of the line. The conveyor hands them off to the turntable. Alignment rollers take over, locking the ring.
The drum turns. Bare, steady, ready. A sheet of black rubber, the inner liner rolls on. It's the tire's airtight heart. Twin rollers sweep the surface, pressing out every hidden bubble, leaving a perfect gloss. Now the body plies arrive. Textile bands laced with gold-colored cords. They wrap snug.
Steel beads are seated precisely into grooves on each edge, locking the future tire to the rim. Flexible sidewalls are layered on both sides, marrying to the beads with a heated press. The drum then expands hydraulically, shaping the carcass to its full width. Across the crown, high-tension steel.
Laser alignment confirmed. Tread strip lowered, bonding. Pressure applied, seated. Raw rubber ready for cure.
As the curing drum retracts, the fresh green tire is set free, still warm and slick from the process. Twin robotic arms glide in, gripping the pliable rubber and lifting it clear of the steel jaws. Suspended in the air, the
Scan good. Moving on to cure. Press doors opening. Almost loaded. Begin cure.
Containment sealed. Heat cycle engaged.
Inside the mold, pressurized steam surges in, flooding every surface. Gauges climb fast as the heat soaks deep into the compound. At a molecular level, the rubber chains lock, forming a flexible but tough network. The material presses into every detail, carving.
From the heat of the press, a brand new tire emerges. Its surface deep black and mirrors smooth. Strings of excess rubber cling like eyelashes along the sidewall, proof of a perfect cure. The robotic gripper lifts it while it still breathes steam.
As the tire leaves the mold, a trimming head sweeps in, shaving away the thin whiskers of excess rubber. Each fine strand is cut cleanly, leaving a smooth, uniform tread. Next, cameras examine the sidewall, confirming that every
X-ray imaging verifies the steel belt alignment inside the casing. The system flags no deviations. Structural integrity is intact. On the balancer, the tire is spun up to speed. Sensors read uniform rotation, and the machine confirms zero imbalance.
Tread's clean, no seepage anywhere along the bead. Clear all the way around, and still no bubbles. Looks good. Approved.
Each tire is scanned and logged in seconds. High-resolution labeling ties every serial number to its digital record. The stack is built, verified, and placed on a pallet. Automated wrapping seals the load in a protective shield. In moments, the shipment is secure.
Every tire tracked, placed, and shipped without missing a beat.